Hey it girls, hey it gals, your girl Itsdahji. Hey it girls, hey it gals, your girl Itsdahji. And today is Saturday, August 13th. And I'm getting ready to go to my hair appointment. Well, y'all see what I'm working it with now. I just literally took out my 2 braids. Last night my hair is fully detangled. And we're about to go see my trusted hairstylist. Okay, and I'm gonna let her try out the new RevAir. This is so exciting. Let's go. Y'all, I am on my way to my hair appointment right now. And it's literally raining, as you can see. And I'm getting a flat. But I'm in Vegas. And I know how to make it work. But let's just hurry and get there. Y'all, this is another thing about Vegas. Okay, so I just got on another corner of Las Vegas and it's not raining anymore. See, I told y'all I'll be able to make it work. Alright, y'all. We have arrived. This is my favorite part. Right. I love this part. Conditioner time. Alright, y'all, we all disabled. About to go underneath the dryer and deep condition. Deep condition. And so you just move it against the scalp so it can get the roots. So to keep it, you have to keep it on a section for like about 30 seconds. I don't think the heat setting's on. It should be, I don't feel it. Oh yeah, it is, it's on. But. I can feel the heat, it's cool. Mm-hmm.
So would you say, how long does it take for you to do, not your hair, but on a blow drying session?
It takes me about, depending on the hair texture, it takes me about, like I said, about around 30 to 40 minutes. It's way quicker than me trying to use like the regular blow dryer myself.
I really think like start to finish with a blow dry is like 20 minutes for me, like with my handheld. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, because it's a whole process with me, like, you know, I make sure to keep the hair section, you know, I comb it out real good and I just move from like that. You know,
mm-hmm. Okay.
So, but I mean, it's a really cool concept, but like for me, just because time-wise,
right,
I don't have that time to dedicate. You know what I'm saying? Like if it was like one person that I'm doing, but when I'm knocking out, you know, 4, 5, 6 people,
right?
And you take that and you multiply that by 30 to 40 minutes. Like,
oh, that's a lot of time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll just try this next little piece. Mm-hmm. But yeah, like I said, like I think it's really cool. You know, to see your face and how
right.
He was like,
yeah, because when I
you always need something, especially for you, because it's easier for me to do you because it's like I'm standing behind you. I'm the one that's doing
it, right?
You're behind and you're trying to, because it's even harder for me to do a handheld on myself.
So, right.
So,
right.
But opposed to like, so you use this on your clients?
Yes, I use it on my clients.
So you
on
don't
all my.
handheld at all?
I have a handheld dryer, but I prefer to use this because it's it just seems like it's easier for me because I already created like how you have your process. I created like my own process for, you know, for me just to start. I'm like, okay, you already blown out, you already stretched. This is a good texture for me to braid your hair.
Okay.
Right.
I saw your video where you were using it and you did it on shorter hair too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it works on like all lengths of hair. It works on all lengths, all curly textures. I've had the most kinkiest of the kinkiest. I did my mom's hair. I did a flat iron on my mom's hair, and she has 4C hair, and it came out pretty good. Came out pretty good.
The stretch is definitely there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, which I think is really cool. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I ain't gonna hate on it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I feel like the concept is absolutely genius. So, and like I said, it makes it easier for people, you know what I'm saying, that can do it themselves.
It's better.
Without, yeah.
It's
but
better.
Time-wise, now if they can come up with a suction that'll knock it out in like 10 minutes, then I'm with it.
Right. Right. If they can do that, I'm all with it too. But all right, y'all heard it here, okay?
Oh.
And y'all heard it here. Y'all see the end results when we done.
Yep.
Drying. Roots are drying.
You can take her. You trust me, and I'm gonna hook you up.
Yes, trust your stylist. Okay. Yeah. I am in love. I'm back. Y'all, my hair really does thrive better when it is straight. It just thrives better when it's straight. And it's winter right now, or fall, I should say. Fall right now in Las Vegas. So it's just what it is. Y'all about to see me with my hair straight for a while. Because it really does just thrive better when it's straight. Alright, my girls. It girls, my hair is all done. I've been out all day. Still looking good. Let me prop y'all up. I'm gonna show you guys how I tie up my flat irons at night. I would use a brush, but I just cleaned it and it's still wet. So we're just going to utilize the long nails here. But definitely a paddle brush is perfect for this situation. I either can keep it like this or put this on too. But I'm okay. Alright, you guys, I am all ready for bed, laying on my silk pillowcase. You know, so I'm straight just in case this thing slips off. But okay, good night, my it girls and my it gals. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell and subscribe because you're gonna be seeing my face a lot more often now. Say good night, sugar baby. Good night, papa.